It's finally that time. I've mustered up enough courage to tackle my second challenge. If you're new here, you should check out my first challenge where I take on 12 shots of tequila and sparkling wine to bring in the new year. Tonight, however, it's a whole different ballgame. We're looking at the Jalepeño Roulette.
Oh shit.
For this challenge, we're gonna be using Kaboom jalapenos as well as Fireball whiskey. For my own comfort and safety, I've prepared 2 trusty glasses of milk, which should ease my suffering at the peak of pain. For the safety of my thumb, in which I wounded the other night, I have meticulously sliced these jalapenos so that I would only need to use one hand to consume.
So this challenge is fairly simple. All I need to do is eat one jalapeno, down a shot of Fireball, eat the other jalapeno, down another shot, and then close out with the final jalapeno. Pretty simple.
No, don't do it! No!
I'm 120% certain I can get through this whole challenge without drinking any milk, because I'm the spice god.
What?
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Without further ado, let's get this challenge started. Honestly, my heart is beating right now. It's beating out of my chest. But let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Jesus, you really feel that heat right away. Oh my God. This is no joke. I got the hiccups already. Hold on.
Help me! Help me!
Oh dear God. This is like eating the devil's toe. There's a little flavor in there. There's a little bit of a kick. But there's also a lot of heat. And it's very hard for me to finish this final piece. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, to be honest. Whew. Oh my God.
No, 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 no.
Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is next level. The heat really turned up. I feel like I'm walking into an inferno with no protection. Oh, sweet Jesus. I underestimated the jalapeno.
Gotcha, bitch!
I underestimated the jalapeno. Oh my God. That milk's looking really good right now. That milk's looking really good right now, let me tell you. Lightweight though, no damage. We're feeling no pain. We're feeling no pain. There's only gain, there's only success. We're halfway there. We're halfway there. We just need 2 more jalapenos down. 1 more shot of Fireball. Oh God. There is no way. I cannot recommend this challenge to anyone. Who the made those jalapenos? Yo, these are called Kaboom Black Jalapenos. What's the Scoville on this shit? Oh Lord. My heart is beating. It's like my blood pressure is going through the roof. This is not good. This is not good. Okay. Second jalapeno. We gonna make it. Okay, I'm a man of my word. I never back down. We're gonna take this challenge down. We're gonna win it like we always do. Back like we never left. We ain't gonna need no milk. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, boy.
It's just so unappealing. No flavor, no pleasure. Only pain. But you know what? It's not as bad as the first one. It's not as bad. I think I may be desensitized at this point. I may have burnt off my taste buds. I thought I would be beating at this point, but I'm not beating. You know why? There's no damage. There's no damage. It's just a scratch. It's just a scratch. There's no doubt. Oh, God. You're probably wondering what happened to my finger. My sugar jar fell and it broke. And I was picking up the glass and it slipped. Oh, guys. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there it is. Now I'm sweating. Woo! Now I'm sweating. Oh, I'm nursing this piece so hard right now. Well, let's go.
What the fuck is that?
NANI?お前はもう死んでいる。Here we go again.
Oh shit!
Oh, God. That's not COVID-19. I got the goosebumps right now.
Bruh.
This is the point where you cross that threshold. Oh my God.
I don't need it.
Oh my God.
I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Oh my God, I need it.
Need it.
I need it.
No.
I need it.
No. 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 Don't do
I
it.
need it.
Don't do it. No, don't do
Oh,
it.
Jesus, I need it. I need it so bad. Oh my God, look at the sweat. There is no physical way I can crush this challenge. I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yo. Oh my God. This is a challenge. I know I said before in the last challenge that nothing gets harder than that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, hold on now. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, I don't think I can win. I don't think I can win this challenge. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can win. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Oh my God. Oh. Whew. Oh. Oh. Oh, Christ. I can't. I can crush the fireball. But there's no way. There is no way. I'm fading. I am fading. I cannot. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. I thought I had it. Hey, while I figure out my life, you should probably click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We got all kinds of action going on. Subscribe now. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, honestly, there is no way. There is no way. You know what?
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Guys, all it takes is one more jalapeno, and this challenge is mine. This challenge is in the bag. I would have defeated it, and I would retain my title as the self-proclaimed Spice God. But at this point, I don't think I even deserve that title. Because this jalapeno is kicking my ass. Can I do this? Can I do this? That is the question. I can't. I can't do it. I've lost this challenge. The challenge has defeated me. I concede. I admit defeat. There is no conceivable way that I can eat one more jalapeno. I'm sorry. I'm disappointed in myself. I'm disappointed in the jalapeno. And I've disappointed you. But I ain't no fool. I gotta live to see tomorrow. I gotta live to see next week. I felt myself literally approaching death's door. Like, it was like right there. I was looking at those pearly gates glaze on my face. There's no way. I'm sorry. I'm bitching out. I won one challenge. I lost one. It's a 1-1 score. Don't worry. There's gonna be more challenges for me to attempt. Guys, you know the drill. If you like my content, if you like what I'm pumping out, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you for that next cocktail. Should be sometime next week or later on this week, I don't know. Next challenge, we're looking at next month, month after next. This shit's too much for me. I'm probably gonna have flaming shits. I'm gonna burn a new one in my butt. I'm gonna burn a new one. I feel my intestines already. I feel my bowels just boiling up. It's gonna be a runny one. So I'm gonna get out of here. And I'm gonna go tend to my wounds. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take a sip. Love life. Oh God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh God, I'm so sorry I did that.